This is Jackie Crawford from Motherwise, and I help mothers reduce time, money, and stress in the kitchen. Thanksgiving is this week, and you've got a turkey, or maybe you don't. So what do? So first, if you don't have a turkey, let's discuss choosing a turkey. What's the right size? Well, for each person that you have at your table for Thanksgiving, you want to have between 1 pound and 1.5 pounds per person. If you're feeding 10 to 12 people, you'll want to have between 12 and 15 pound turkey. If you're feeding 15 to 18 people, try a turkey that's between 14 and 16 pounds. And for 18 to 22 people, choose a turkey that's 20 to 22 pounds. If you're just having a small gathering, then why not consider a turkey breast? Now let's talk about thawing. To thaw your turkey in the refrigerator, for every 4 or 5 pounds of turkey that you have, you're going to want to take a day to thaw that turkey. A 10-pound turkey needs 2 days. A 15-pound turkey needs at least 3 days. A 20-pound turkey needs 4 days. And to leave it in there for an extra day, it's better to be safe than sorry. There's nothing worse than starting to fix your Thanksgiving dinner and your turkey is still frozen. That happened to me. Brining your turkey is a great way to add lots of flavor. Make sure you use kosher salt. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of kosher salt for every gallon of water that you need to cover your turkey. And you'll need to take about 8 hours to brine your turkey. Plus, you'll need a very big pot. After your turkey is thawed, make sure to check inside and remove the giblets pack. For the best flavor, let your bird sit on the counter at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before you start cooking. Pat it down and get it nice and dry so that the skin will crisp up. For every pound of turkey, you'll need about 20 minutes to cook. So if you have a 10-pound turkey, you'll need about 3 hours. The best way to know if your turkey is done is to use an instant read meat thermometer. I think I paid $3 or $4 for mine. Place your thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey breast and it should read 165 degrees. Place your thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh and it should read 170 to 175 degrees. And don't forget, you'll need a very large platter for your turkey. When your turkey is done, the juices will run clear. They won't be pink at all. If this video was helpful, consider joining my channel, where we talk about saving money, saving time, and saving stress in the kitchen. This is Jackie from Motherwise, and remember, dinner's at 6.